You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. This is a variant, meaning a slightly different spelling of a French word, and you're going to understand why it matters. I'll link to the original French pronunciation at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Alizeh. Alizeh is the English pronunciation. Alizeh. Not Alizeh or Alizeh. Alizeh is generally how it is pronounced. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.